Do you know how it feels, guys, when you understand how the market wants to make its move, the pattern the market wants to perform, and then the market appreciate your thoughts, and then give you the same pattern that you saw that it wanted to give out, and then it plays out. I'm talking about GBP JP. Just confirm as usual, guys. Around here, Zoom, you guys, Zoom taken on December 13, guys, 11:18 UTC, and today is 14th, of course. You can confirm for 14th when I'm recording this video, taken on 13, guys. So I'll take you through as usual. So before that, I sent that to my VAP, and here is the market, how it was looking like as usual, guys, and this is it. All right, so you see, all right, I told my gang, yo, kill GBP, kill GBP JP, and this is how, I explained everything, the reason I was taking the trade. So listen to this audio.
Gang, I've looked at that GBP JPY. I've tried to zoom that. Hey, yo, do not forgive this pair, yo. Do not forgive this joint. Ish, I never saw this, yo. Eh. Forgive at your own risk, man. Forgive at your own risk, man. Forgive at your own risk. Eh. This one maybe if news takes us out, but then no. This one looks great.
It's all right. So let me take you through. First things first, let me just do the replay. As usual, this is how we do it, baby. We hit the replay and explain everything. So I'll take you back, guys, from the higher time frame. Let me take you back from the higher time frame and show you what the market was doing and how it was looking like. Okay, so first things first, as usual, we need to identify the trend and identify the current position, identify the sensitive zones, and react to what we are seeing, basically. So as usual, you can see that this is how the market was looking like, and with the naked eyes, guys, with the naked eyes, you won't understand what this market is trying to say. But then if you zoom, man, you need to use your eye lenses to zoom in the market, yo. All right, if you zoom in, and you'll understand everything. So basically, this is what was happening. You can see higher high, higher low, high, but then kinda, guys, the market broke out of the uptrend. And if you can try to look at this zone right here, that was a reversal pattern, that was just kind of double top. All right, so if we have a double top, guys, confirmed, everything is great. We had a double top, and now this was the neckline. So when I talk about a double top right here, this was the zone I'm talking about. So the market kind of broke out of the neckline right here, guys. The market broke right there, and just a minute, sorry. So if we had this as a neckline, the market broke. So you can see, guys, that kind of the market went to retest that neckline. So initially, guys, I told my crew that, okay, I will be waiting for the market to go back and touch this last high, that is the last low high, maybe to get a reversal, that is a double top, before we go in for our sell position. But that was on Monday, guys. So I waited for, it was around here, the market was still doing this. So basically, let me just remove some of these drawings for you to understand what the market was doing. I'll remove this, let those remain. So when I went to the 15, I did draw my trend line as usual. So I was waiting for the market to break out of that trend line, that is to give me a confirmation that, oh, the uptrend is done. As you can see, we was in an uptrend, gang. It was in an uptrend. So clawing that, confirming everything. So for me to take a a sell position, guys, I needed the market to do this, go back, give me a double top before I take my sell position. So I waited on Monday, Tuesday, then the market did this. When Wednesday came, I said, okay, actually the market broke, and then I say, okay, I won't fall for that, because we had kind of a last higher low that there. So a break below that higher low, that is when I was supposed to take my sell entry. But then the market did this. I was saying, okay, the market has broken out of that trend line, but then I'm not taking sales, forgetting that the market was hiding something from me, yo. So I went out, guys, yesterday, and then when I came back, I looked at this pair once again, yo. I looked at this pair once again. Then I said, oh, basically the market has been doing this. So before that, let me just remove this. The market had been doing this. So to my, I mean, did I miss this kind of a pattern, guys? Let me just remove this trend line too. I saw that kind of the market's moving sideways. Okay, like I say, guys, you could not see these guys with the naked eyes. You needed some lenses. You needed to zoom. So kind of I was seeing that the market's kind of moving sideways. If you can see, basically this is sideways, right? I believe all of you can see that the market is moving sideways, but that was not the case, gang. That was not the case. So I said, oh, if this market is doing this, guys, what is this market trying to do? So when I zoomed out, guys, zoomed out the chart, then I saw, oh, that is what the market had done. Then something came to my attention, yo. I zoomed out. Then I said, this market doesn't want to go back to give me that double top for a reversal. Now, if you come to look at this, guys, like I say, you need really, really good eyes. Yeah, you need to zoom in really, really deep, guys. If this is not the left shoulder, is this not the hair right there? Is this the market? Is this market not giving me a right shoulder? I told my guys, no. We execute. I believe you heard that on that audio thing, guys. So I told them, yo, we execute. So I don't know why I just clicked on buy. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know how to remove this because I don't trade with the under. Anyway, let's continue. How will I remove this thing now? I clicked on a buy position. I don't know how to cancel. All right, so let's continue, guys. How am I supposed to cancel this? How am I supposed to cancel this? I don't know. Close position. I don't know, but let's continue. It's kind of identifying my chart, all right? What's happening? Oh, how can I remove this? How can I remove this? How can I remove this? Price label. It's not done. Anyway, let's continue. So, but it's kind of identifying my chart, yo. I'm sorry, just a minute. Let me pause the video and try to remove it. Alright, that's done. So let's continue. Sorry for that. So now, guys, let's try to zoom this market. Let's try to understand this market. So if you go back to the 15, man, let's go to the 15. I hope you guys are going to understand this great. Like I said, I thought that this market was kind of moving sideways, but gang, this is not sideways move. This is a correction, my people. This is a correction. All right. So I said, oh, if that's the correction, how about this? This market is kind of respecting my trend line, gang. Let me take you back to the 1 hour. So if we kind of had a first touch right here, second touch, then guess what? The market was in a third touch, and that is where we do execute. All right. So if that's the case, gang, let's see if we can get a reversal pattern because we were still in an uptrend. Then we execute. Now look at this. As we explained, guys, after an impulse, we got a correction. So look at this. This was a correction. Then this is an impulse. Then this is a correction. So impulse, kind of smaller version of a correction. Then guess what? A break below. We should be going down, man. Execute. We don't forgive you because anytime you forgive the market, remember when the market wants to take you out, it won't forgive you. So let's see. So I went to the 15, guys. Like I said before, wait to the 15 now. I believe this was kind of news because DBP also had news yesterday, but you know, I won't care about news because it just I don't know. Let's go. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head. So I was expecting the market to give me the right shoulder, then a break below the hour candle. Gang, execute. So boom, that's the right shoulder there, baby. Let's go to the 1 hour now. A break below. Why forgive? Oh, it already broken. It already broken. Let me just do this. That was fast. So the 15 1. Okay, so let's see. I believe it has not broken yet. Yeah, right there. So 1 hour candle break. Why do you want to forgive somebody? Why do you want to forgive somebody? Actually, this support is not valid. It's not valid though. So why do you want to forgive somebody? So I call out those trades, then told my gang, don't forgive. Forgive at your own risk. I believe you had the audio. So during this period, guys, after the break, I told my gang that at the 1 minute, I still believe that the market will go back to retest this support that it kind of broke, now turned to resistance. And I was expecting this kind of a behavior. Then now a break below, we go, baby. That's just a confirmation. So the market did its thing. You let the market do its thing. You don't care, man. You don't care. All right, you let the market. Let's just go to the 15, baby. There's no waste time. Let's go. See how the market was kind of rejecting our resistance right there. Break it. That was no news, gang. That was just the market doing its thing. Price action, baby. Price action. So the market did its thing. Now during this period, guys, that is where we started trailing our stop loss, taking partial, such things. So look at my people. People are eating. People are eating. You see, at my funded account, I was up $300, 357, gang. You can see we had also somebody here was up 4,000 naira, which is amazing. So let's see. So I went to the 1 minute as usual, guys. I don't ignore the 1 minute. I know most people do ignore this 1 minute time frame, man. Most people ignore the 1 minute, but then it's usually powerful. So at the 1 minute, I understood. Okay, just a minute. Let me do this. Let me do this. I want you guys to see this thing in 3D. I don't want you to miss anything. So the 1 minute, you can see that you just expect those kind of correction. You just don't think that the market will give you an impulse. No, you need to expect that the market has to breathe correction. You just don't breathe in. You have to breathe out too. So when this happened, I understood, okay, we had a resistance zone right here. So the market has to respect that zone. And if it doesn't respect, then there's no problems. The market did this thing. You can see kind of respecting that zone. So when it broke, we did that thing, gang. Retrail our stop loss as usual. So let's go. The market did that. And let's go to the 4 hour and see what's happening. So during this period, guys, I believe 4 MC was coming, and I did understand that, guys. The news usually create volatility. I've come to realize that the news just create volatility, doesn't change direction. So if the market was going up, guys, then the news is coming. The news will just push that market to go up. If price was going down, then the news is coming. News will just push that price to go down. So if your analysis was right, gang, let the news do its thing, man. Amazing, baby. Take profit 1 was hit, and how much was that? That's 200, baby. You remember we are going in for 330, and then overnight that happened. Take profit was right here, and then market just moved up to 400 pips. Was that difficult, gang? Was that difficult? No. That was not difficult, baby. So how about you smash that subscribe button? I hope you learned something. And man, check out my Telegram channel, and if you want to join the gang, man, link in the description. So adios, mi amigos. Peace.